to this computer. Yan, record natin. Alright, good morning everybody. So ngayong araw na to, I am Piwi Guasque. I'll be your business presenter. So today, before I present this business, I would like to introduce myself. I am Piwi Guasque. I am 30 years old, 10 years ago. And I have two kids and one wife. Hindi ko na po dinagdagan. So isa lang po yung asawa ko. And I've been working with this business for the last decade, for 16 years already. At isa din ako sa mga tao na na-bless sa ganitong negosyo na talaga nga namang extravagant ang life-changing testimonial na binigay sa akin. To give you a little background, in doing the business for the first year, it gave me a very, very good income. Nag-total kami net income after tax around 300 million. So that's why I'm very, very excited to show this to everybody kasi I want to share also what are the possibilities, what are the opportunities that you can also explore. Okay, this is a presentation for good for 5 minutes. No commitment, no stress. Just listen. Pakinggan mo lang to. If you think it, you see yourself doing it, let's do it. If you don't see yourself doing it, let's not do it. Let's just remain as good friends. Yan. So magandang umaga sa inyo. I am Piwi Guasque and I'll be presenting you this business. All right. So ngayong araw na to, ano ba ang market trend? 'Di ba? Before you put up a business, very important ano ba yung uso, Saan ba papunta ang market? According to study, ang market po itong darating na 2025, ang market value ng coffee is we're expecting at 1 billion by 2025. Kaya mapapansin ninyo guys, parami ng coffee shop. Sa kahit saan ka pumunta ka ng Boracay, pupusta ako sa'yo, may coffee shop dyan. Sa airport, may coffee shop. Sasakayan ng bus, may coffee shop. Sa mall, may coffee shop. Sa sementeryo, may coffee shop. Kahit saan ka pumunta, opisina, may coffee shop because po ang coffee po is one of the biggest market. And by the way, the most traded commodity in the world is number one, syempre gasoline, oil. Number two is coffee. Gusto lang kita bigyan ng idea as a business aspect na kung magnenegosyo ka, dapat yung may market, may consumer na, which is, ito yun. At alam mo ba, ang Pilipinas ang second largest consumer ng kape sa buong Asia. At we are consuming 7 million 60 kilograms bags of coffee. At alam mo ba, 80% ng populasyon ng Pilipinas ay umiinom ng 2 kape. Araw-araw. Umaga, hapon, ibang gabi, bago matulog, nagkakape. Ako nga ngayon, habang nagsasalita sa inyo, nagkakape. Ilang beses na kape ko na to. At alam mo ba na dati ang nagkakape, seniors lang, sorry, I don't want to say matanda. Mga seniors, yung mga madami ng numbers ang age. Ngayon hindi, pati estudyante nagkakape, pati mga young adults nagkakape, millennials nagkakape, working professionals nagkakape. Now, nagtayo ang kumpanya natin ng bagong concept. Siyempre, pagpapasok ka sa coffee business, sa coffee market, siyempre dapat naiiba ka. What makes you different from other coffee business dito sa market? Number one, ang tawag sa ating coffee but better. Ano yung coffee but better? Why better? Napansin natin na lahat ng tao nagkakape, nakakalimutan na nilang kumain ng gulay. So, ang ginawa natin, nag-infuse tayo ng barley sa lahat ng coffee products natin, mapa-black, mapa-mocha, at mapa-classic. Nilagyan natin ng barley ang lahat ng kape na lalabas sa coffee shop natin. Barley is the number one antioxidant green. At alam mo ba na meron kang 68 micronutrients at majority ng sakit ng tao nagkukos because of acidic environment. Barley is the number one alkaline property. Pag tinake mo to, binababa niya acid level sa katawan mo. Yung acid level, pag bumaba yan, alkaline ka, ibig sabihin nun, healthy ka. Pag mataas ng acid mo sa katawan, gustong-gusto ng cancer cells yun, kaya nagkaka-cancer yung tao. Ang tanging paraan lang para mabawasan, matanggal yung cancer cells mo, is kailangan mong kumain araw-araw ng gulay at prutas. Eh, tamad na nga tayo. Wala na nga tayong time, di ba? Lagi na ng cheeseburger, lagi na ng French fry, Jollibee, McDo, KFC. Wala na tayong time because of the fast-paced lifestyle. But good news, once pumasok sila sa coffee shop mo, hindi lang sila nagkakape, they are also enjoying all the micronutrients na makikita nila sa barley, which is to be discussed kapag once you start opening your cafe. Now, there are choices. One, pwede po kayo magtayo ng cart type. Itong cart type natin, makikita mo to sa different malls. No, yung cart types are good for food courts, good for malls, good for offices, good for events. So this is the smallest package that we have is the cart type. The next to that is the van type. If you're familiar sa pickup coffee, ito yun. Ganito siya. Okay? Pero kung gusto mo something bigger, yung mga nakikita mga pop-up coffee shops or coffee bars, we call it stall type. Ganito siya. There are like 7 to 8 chairs. May open bar sa harapan. Or, we can even design it for you. Meron ako mga layouts. Or if you want the biggest, which is ito yung nagawa natin ito yung something like this ang itatayo natin sa Nueva Ecija under the account of Miss Lalaine. At meron din si Ann Garcia sa Tarlac. Moncada ata, narinig ko, under kay Kurt. At meron din si Ana Recio from the US na nakahanap na ng lugar. Hindi ko lang naalala kung anong location yon. But those three, yun yung may mga restaurants sa atin. And syempre si Jackie, yung 30 restaurants niya sa Iloilo. At ako naman, upcoming sa dito sa may Pateros. Sorry, Tagig. Hindi Tagig BGC Tagig on the other side. At tomorrow, meeting ko naman sa mga uh, businessman. I'll be offering coffee shops. Okay? So tomorrow you'll see naman mga videos I'll show you. So ang pag-uusapan namin doon, puro coffee shop. Right. So no more. What to know more? Ano ba kinaganda ng ating coffee? Number one, this is uniquely infused by barley. And this is the only coffee shop na makikita natin sa market na healthy. Mapa-cold, mapa-hot, mapa-frap, mapa-pure barley, lahat to merong barley infusion. And our coffee came from Vietnam, from the finest plantations in Vietnam. And good news, lahat ng sweeteners natin are all healthy. They're all stevia. Okay? Number two, what are the requirements for me to start my coffee but better franchise? One, all you need to do is to have a Sapphire account. Okay? When you say Sapphire account, later we'll discuss that. Kapag card type ka, that's Sapphire. If you want a bigger one, that's Emerald. Now, ano yung Sapphire? Ano yung Emerald? Piwi ganito yan. Pag Sapphire ka, hanggang van type, you can build. Pagka Emerald ka, hanggang store type, you can build. Okay? At the moment, I am a Diamond. Okay? This coming week, I'll be discussing with my team yung mga itatayo kong sarili kong cart van stall type. Okay? Now, ano po ba pinagkaiba ng Sapphire, Emerald, Ruby, Diamond? Ang Diamond kasi has the highest potential profits. Like ako, Diamond ako now. Si Ann Garcia, si Kurt Diamond, si yung taga-US natin, si pangalan nun. Melita is also a Diamond. Ang ang mga ruby ang mga ruby natin, si Ana Resio, okay? And lahat. Okay? So, ito yung mga profits ng coffee shops mo. Pagka diamond ka, profit mo 60%. So for example, you are selling 1 million per month. Kung diamond yung account mo sa system natin, 60% ang nakukuha mo sa coffee shop mo. So that's around 600,000 per month. If naka-ruby ka, that's 50%. If you are yung gross mo is 1 million per month, you get 500,000 per month gross. Okay? And so forth. 47, 40, 40. Now, as we end, may choices po kayo. Okay? Ang first choice mo is the Sapphire, which is the 53,000 initial inventory. But don't worry. Bibigyan ka ng company ng 75,000 worth of products. Ang requirements lang is magkaroon ka ng initial inventory. Ibig sabihin po nun, meron kang produkto sa loob ng shop mo na nagkakahalagang 53,000. Yun lang ang requirements. Okay? Na ang bibigay pa sa'yo, 75,000 worth of products. Ang income mo dyan is 43%. So for example, if you are selling 200,000 per day, you get 86,000 per day because that's 43%. Pero if you're like me, Diamond, ang initial ko is 550,000 inventory. Ang nakuha ko 700,000 inventory. 60% ng coffee shop ko ang nauuwi ko. So say for example, same yung cart type mo sa coffee shop ko. Ako, 200,000 per day. Kuha ko ang 60%, that's 120,000. Kung diamond tayo, di ba? Pero kung tayo naman sapphire, pwedeng 86,000 muna per day. So, tapos na tayo. There is a good news. Okay? Before namin ginawa tong concept na to, the franchise is for 248,000. But, since bago lang at pioneer ang mga franchise natin, the only requirements ay magkaroon ka ng Sapphire account. Ano ba yung mga natayo na natin? Meron tayong Rojas Isabela, meron tayo sa San Mateo Rizal, meron tayo sa Malolos, meron na rin tayo tatayo sa Parañaque City, San Antonio, meron na tayo sa Binangon ng Rizal, meron na tayo, ganito pa itatayo natin sa kanila, yung restaurant. So for sure nakapasok naman tayo ng restaurant, ng coffee shop, 'di ba? Yun yung mga itatayo natin. Ganito po, itsura. Okay? Guys, imagine niyo kung ikaw ang nakapagpatayo nito, for example, isang kliyente mo, lahat ng coffee na binibili niya sa counter, may income ka. Just imagine that. Every 25 boxes na naibebenta ng isang coffee shop, meron kang 1.5. Ganun mo na lang i-base. Kung magtatayo ka ng madaming coffee shop na ganito, katulad ng ginawa ko, meron tayo yun ang tinarget ko agad, especially na pumunta ko kay Lilo. Yun talaga tinarget ko lahat. Coffee shop, coffee shop, coffee shop, coffee shop. Tayo, ito coffee shop, tayo dito. Bukas, yun naman yung gagawin ko naman dito yung kausap ko. Okay, Mandaluyong tayo magsisimula. Coffee shop, coffee shop, coffee shop, coffee shop, coffee shop. Kasi meron siya ospital. Hospital niya, Mandaluyong. At kilala niyo naman yun si Doc. Siya din may-ari nung Tagig Coffee Shop. Actually, baka gawin namin business center yun. Na coffee shop yung harap. Pagpasok, coffee shop. Pagpasok sa isang room, business center na. Seminar na. Okay? So, this is San Mateo Rizal. This is Cainta Rizal. This is Parañaque City, San Antonio. Open yung kanya kasi nasa mall siya eh. Parang small, low-rise mall. So, pwedeng ganito. May coffee cart na may bar type. By the way, this is the actual, guys, these are the actual turnover natin sa mga kliyente. Ito sa Isabela. 2 floors siya, may table sa baba. Pagpaling mo sa taas, mayroon na namang coffee area. Ito naman sa Target silang Cavite. Dito makikita nyo na dito yung kay Miss Ann Garcia, yung sa kanyang Mongkada. Okay? Sandali 1 minute. Okay, so 1 minute. Oh. So, 1 minute. Tan, 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 tan. 27, 7, 4, 26 na to. 27, 6. Mm. Mm. Alright, so sorry there was a call. Okay, so ito yung coffee shop natin. Guys, imagine this. As a business owner, ang gagawin lang natin, maghahanap tayo ng mga kliyente na magtatayo ng coffee shop nila. At 25 orders, 25 boxes, meron kang 1.5. Ganyan, imagine yourself having coffee shops under you. Imagine yourself having coffee carts under you. 10, 20, 30, 100. Imagine that. Guys, nagta-travel kayo, nasa Boracay kayo, nasa nasa US kayo, nasa bahay kayo with your family, may homeschool yung mga anak niyo, nababantayan niyo yung mga anak ninyo. Pero during that day, even though you're not going out, meron kang income. Imagine that kind of lifestyle. Money is just flowing, overflowing to you. But syempre, there's a work at first. We need to go out. Labas tayo, usap. Imagine that kind of life. Yun yung mindset ko, guys. Maka-build lang ako ng 100 coffee shops under my account. Ow, my man. All right, number three, can I open multiple stores using the same wholesaler account? Yes. Ito po yung promo natin. Kaya ano na natin, let's maximize the time because before December 31, pwedeng magtayo multiple basta may Sapphire account. Pagdating ng December 31 onwards, every cart may bayad na siya. Sir, magkano pong bayad? Ang bawat cart may bayad po 'yan. Meron po kasi tayong meron po kasi tayong franchise fee. Okay? For you to know lang guys, for you to know, may promo ngayon. Ang isang cart is 248,000. Today, it's free. Van type natin, walang franchise fee, walang 400,000, walang 900,000. All you need to do is to have a Sapphire account, which is inventory of 53,000. Tapos, papagawa na lang tayo ng ating mga carts. Alright, as we end, brother, sister, this is only until December 31. If you see yourself earning money while at home, you can do the business. I'll give you an idea before we end. Kailan babalik ang investment? Return of investment. Did you know that if you have 10,000 per day sales, in 30 days, that's 300,000. 43% of 300,000 is 129,000 pesos. Meaning to say, you have 129,000 monthly income. In just 15 days, bumalik na nilabas mo 50,000. And good news, tuloy-tuloy. Meron kang 129,000 monthly income. Nagtayo ka lang ng coffee cart. Nagtayo ka lang ng coffee shop. Nagtayo ka lang ng coffee restaurant. And bigyan kita ng bigger idea. That's 1.5 million per month. Huwag kang matakot, kapatid. Pumunta ka ng mall bukas. Makakakita ka dun Starbucks Coffee Bean. Ang binibenta lang dong kape. Pero nababayaran nila upa nila. Because malaki ang pera sa kape. Kung ayaw mo nang mag-work, okay? Kung ayaw mo nang mag-work 8 to 5, ayaw mo nang mag-work sa ibang bansa, Or ayaw mo ng wala kang pera kasi it feels so it feels so opposite of good if you don't have money, 'di ba? You can do this because this can give you a lot of money. Not only few money but a lot of money. Bigyan kita idea. Kung igo-goal mo lang magkaroon ka ng 10 coffee shop, coffee cart, coffee stall, coffee van. Kahit dahan-dahan, isa-isa lang. If you are selling 10,000 per day every cart, so that's 100,000 per day. Times 30 days, that's 3 million. Get the 43%, that is meron kang maliwanag na 1.3 million per month income. Kunin mo na yung 1 million net, 300,000 gastos. 1 million a month? Operating just 10 cards? Madami ng yumaman, brother, sister, sa kape. And I know you're next. Nandito kami para tulungan ka paano gawin yon. Nandito kami to guide you how to do it. But keep this in mind. Kung gusto mong kumita ng 1 million above per month without working 8 to 5, without a boss, without leaving the country, without putting up so much money, usap tayo, ko- ayusin natin yung business natin, simulan natin together. Pero kung hindi mo nakikita sarili mo, I'd like to say thank you very much for attending this business forum. God bless you all. Welcome to Coffee But Better.